I'm a principal software engineer and I YouTube about web development topics on this channel. So I often get asked by people whether a boot camp is a good way to learn about web development just starting out in someone's career. And my answer is absolutely yes. And here's my reasoning. So first off, I've worked with a bunch of bootcamp grads and uniformly they've been great. And second, I appreciate the way that boot camps teach how to code because it's very practical. It's the way that I learned how to code. You start by building applications and learning the technologies that you need to do that job today. I contrast this with what my daughter is going through. She's going through a CS degree right now, and she's learning C and C++ and data structures and algorithms. And while that stuff's all great, and I absolutely appreciate that, it's not particularly practical when it comes to web development. You just don't use those skills on a daily basis. Now, eventually, she will take a course in web development. It's probably going to be about 10 weeks, which is exactly what you'd get if you did the code school thing, except that you're paying a lot more for it. You're paying for the whole college experience, which is awesome, but you're getting that 10-week experience later down the road, and you're paying a lot more for it. So if you just want to learn the web skills and you want to get a job today, then I think a bootcamp is the right way to go. Which brings me to my happy announcement that I've created my own master school in web development in partnership with Masterschool out of Israel. They've hosted schools in Israel, Germany, Russia, and this is their first one in the United States, and it's around web development. And it's going to teach you everything you need to know to jumpstart your web development career. CSS, HTML, JavaScript, React, and TypeScript, all of it. It's a great syllabus, and I've had some input on it. I'm really happy about it. And I'll be there at least once a week to talk to the students, answer any questions that they have that the teachers might not have already answered, and coach them and mentor them in their career and what it takes to be in a tech job. So I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping that I'll be able to take some of the questions that they have and then recycle them back into videos on this YouTube channel. And all of this is why I got into YouTubing in the first place. I've had a great career in tech. It's been very good for me, and I want people to have that opportunity. So I YouTube and I write, and now I do the master school to give people that opportunity to change their lives with a career in tech. So if you're interested in taking a bootcamp in web development and you're in the US, be sure to check out the site. It's listed in the link down below in the description. And of course, in the meantime, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if you want to keep up with all things JavaScript, TypeScript, and React.